Traders, I'm looking at gold XAUUSD. We're just going to go out quickly to a weekly and get our bearings. Okay, so this has been bullish. We've got a really deep pullback going on here. It's traded back down into this imbalance on the weekly time frame. And I mean, ultimately, this is bullish. However, yeah, we've got this. Now, it's the end of the week, and we usually find smart money gets incredibly aggressive hunting stops. And I mean, is this the first move down into, you know, deeper territory? That's the question. All right, so I'm always looking for the trend. Now, on the daily time frame, we've got this support zone back in here, this green, well, sorry, this red candle balance area. All right, now it's pulled right back into it, rejected off it, but we're still seeing bearish pressure here. All right, so that would be my first port of call. I don't know if this is going to turn around and look for deeper levels, but we'll see how it shapes up. So let's just have a look at it on the 4-hour time frame. At the moment, we have this break of market structure right there. Bearish break of structure. Okay, so now I've got a strategy with this, and I follow my strategy. And essentially, what it is, and I mean, if we have a look at this, a trend continuation, right? So we'll build an argument. Now, let's just go low to high retrace buy, low to high retrace buy. So I'm looking for the retrace into the 50 to the 618 fib zone. Low to high retrace buy. Okay, so if we apply this strategy everywhere we see a fib pullback in a trend with a stop under the previous low, well, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what I'm saying? This generally would work out. Okay, stop below the low. So this one's still running, and I mean, I applied the same strategy wherever there's a trend. Okay, wherever I see a break of market structure, either bullish or bearish. So we have here a bearish break of structure. My strategy is to, well, we actually didn't get much of a pullback. It's a really shallow pullback here, so you want to be a little bit careful. I prefer to go with the, you know, the pullback into at least 50% of the previous price range. Now, in saying that, we do have this green, okay, we'll just call that resistance for now. Hang on, let's grab that. Done. Just wanted that to go across. Anyway, we'll fix that up later. So we've got this now resistance. So if we apply the same strategy, with a little bit of caution though, but we could potentially look for a short, right? High to low retrace, short. Yeah, we're not really getting the setup, guys, at the moment. But, you know, in saying that, we've got high to low retrace. Okay, so we've got that. This is bearish with this spike above. Now let's have a look at this on the 1H. All right, it's not an ideal setup. It is under pressure. It could hold here and trade north. It could trade south. So, you know, you just want to be really careful. I think for me, I'd like to see, well, we've got this range here. Let's just pull the range through. We'll do that. I'll just pick up these candle bodies. Candle body high, candle body low. And you want to wait. I mean, we're getting now the volatility above and below the range. So the hitting stops both sides of the range at this point. It's either going to break north or south. I think it's tending to lean more south than north. So here's what I'm looking for, and I've shown this in various videos, but you know, we get that. It's a bit wonky, but you know, these equal lows spike down, possibly a lower high, possibly, but a break and retest of the low here would be a short, potentially. So that could be a trade. So that's one idea. If this shapes up and we get that, then okay, I will go with that. Now, here's the thing. The other option then is we get the break and retest of the high. All right, so we're still range bound until this starts trending. In other words, we see a break of market structure and higher highs, higher lows, or a break of market structure to the downside, lower highs, lower lows. I'm sitting on the fence. But this will give us a trade either way. So just wait for the setup. I guess that's all I can say at the moment, because we really don't know which way this is going to trade. Let's have a look at it. 4H. Okay, so it's range bound. Wait for the break out of the range, because here it's under pressure for sure. But this thing with this is, have a look here. Well, we'll take this candle imbalance. So we've got these unresolved imbalances that we'll look to get traded through. There. Right, we've got another imbalance here. Bearish imbalance. They're going to be targets at some stage. So you want to be really careful with this. Right? That could trade back up to hit these imbalances. So, yes, we have a break of market structure bearish on the 4H. These are potential, well, they're definitely points of interest. It's currently range bound. Wait for the break and retest of the range either side, and that would give you a trade. All right. Now, these would be targets to the upside, and targets to the downside, I would go, it'd probably reach for these lows over here. So that would be a potential target here. So we'll just call that a target, TP. That'll do. We got 1 TP. Oops. There we go. And, where to from there? Well, you want to hit these lows. So, there's another one here. If it trades further south, that is. But, you can mark up these targets like that. Now, if we trade north, then these imbalances are targets, and then, of course, we hit the highs. Okay, so wait for the breakout of the range, see how we go with that. Guys, that's my take on gold at the moment. So with that, love to hear your comments. Definitely leave a comment below. Hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.